i35equipment.com and COWC Auto Sales. This is a 2017 Peterbilt semi-truck, one owner, local consignment, straight from hauling on its route, excellent condition. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. It's currently hooked up to this box fan trailer. They're being sold separately. Tires are all excellent. He's gonna go ahead and run around the yard, and then we will get a little closer and take a look at it. Like I said, one owner truck, local consignment, extremely well kept, well serviced. All the maintenance records since new are available. It is showing to have been getting 5.3 miles per gallon. It's got the full sleeper on it. Excellent condition, like I said. If you're looking for a truck, I think you'd be real happy with this one. We'll go run around the shop here and then bring it back and park it, and then we will make some more up close videos of it. As always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment, trucks, and trailers online at www.i35equipment.com. If you'd like a hauling quote or a shipping quote, we can get this truck shipped to you. We send equipment all over the country, so it shouldn't be a problem at all. Just fill out the form on the website with your full delivery address, or call, text, or email that delivery address. We'll share it with several local haulers and a nationwide broker and get back with you the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, this truck, being a Peterbilt, does have the Packard diesel motor in it. To my ear, it sounds to be running great. Alright, let's take a look. Mud flaps, Yokohama tires. Let's see, 295/75R 22.5 tires. Tread looks fantastic. Brakes are excellent. Go zoom out to that fisheye lens, kind of give you the whole view here. Got dual sets of mirrors, so you have dual mirror here, of course, but then you got your extra mirror up front. Go ahead and hit this so we can get that hood open here in that. Windshield looks good from here. Excellent tires all the way around. Like I said, mud flaps. Just a really nice truck. Go ahead and take a look in here first, since we're right here. It's got some extra headlight bulbs. It's got bunks back here, so a bed up there, bed here. TV. That's a refrigerator there. All right, let's just take a look here from this side, then we'll hop in the other side. Just a real nice truck. Power window. We do welcome you to come look this truck over for yourself. We are open by appointment only though, so give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number is 405-833-6437. You see all these specs on our website. GVWR though is 350 pounds. Front gross axle is going to be 12,350. Second and third are going to be 19,000 a piece. Show you the seat. Seat still looks pretty good. All right, let's take a look around here. Let's check this mirror. Power mirror. Power mirror. Real nice. And it's got the heated mirror option. So sure is nice when it gets cold. Currently getting 5.2 average miles per gallon. I don't see any issues, any concerns. Sitting at 658,372 miles. Everything looks real good. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Once again, our phone number here is 405-833-6437. You can see lots more photos, specs, and info on the website. Have a great day.